How do you actually name that catering business if you're looking to create a catering business, or if you just launched one, but you want to come up with a creative idea? I'm actually going to show you here on my laptop how I use AI to come up with some amazing names for your catering business. Now, this can also be dependent upon the type of industry that you're going to be going into. If it's barbecued, if it's a specialty niche, if it's a vegetarian catering business, doing wedding catering or corporate catering. I created a prompt. You're going to check this out, and I'm going to show you exactly how this can name your catering business in seconds. All right, so I want you to act as a branding expert for 20 years experience in naming successful food businesses and catering companies. Now, I want you to help me create a strong, memorable, and profitable name for my catering business. Now, first, ask me these questions before generating the name. So what type of catering will you focus on? Corporate, weddings, private events, niches, barbecue, like I just mentioned. Now, what style or vibe do you want? Luxury, something fun, a modern, upscale. Now, who is your target customer? Are you looking for business professionals, brides, families, budget, high end? Now, what city or region are you located in? Okay, this is also very important too, because sometimes that will dictate the type of menu that you might want to be offering. Next one up is, do you want your name to include your personal name or be brand based? Now, once you have this information, generate 20 unique catering business name ideas. Then I want you to organize them in these categories: professional and corporate style names, premium or luxury catering names, fun and creative names, local community-based names, or even a niche specialty name. And for each name, include the following: why does it work, what type of customer it attracts, and then also whether it sounds premium or budget. Then suggest 5 brandable names that could scale into a large company. Even 5 names that are optimized for local SEO, which is something people don't think about when you launch a catering business, is getting found on Google or even in search engines. And suggest 5 simple, easy, remember names. Finally, include a quick checklist for choosing the best name. Now, important, here we go. Focus on names that are like real businesses and not generic ideas. All right, I want to start a barbecue catering business in, let's say, Georgia. And I want it to be a fun, easy to remember name. We'll go ahead and change that really quick. And also great for a website domain as well. Again, you type in just a few specifics based upon that prompt. Oh, by the way, down below in the video, in the comments section, I'll have a link to our website where you can actually get this free prompt that I just created. You can download that and simply copy and paste that. And I do have a package on there that has a premium package with a ton of AI prompts for every aspect of your catering business as well. So here we go. So perfect. You already gave me a strong direction. So let's see how it is. Okay, your brand positioning based on what you said. Type, it's going to recap. Type is barbecue. Georgia, strong Southern identity. Okay. Vibe, fun, memorable, easy. And the domain, translation. So you want something that sounds authentic and Southern and crave worthy. So here is 20 barbecue catering name ideas. This is great. So Southern Pit Provisions. This actually sounds pretty cool. So why this works, sounds established and reliable and attracts corporate clients. Georgia Smokehouse Catering. Now this is more specific about location. Yep, there it is. Local businesses, because you're using the word Georgia in it. Pitmasters Catering Company. Authority-driven name. It sounds also mid-level to a premium. Fire Oak Catering. That's actually pretty cool too. And then premium or luxury like Ember and Smoke. Ironwood Barbecue, and so on. So these literally comes up in a few seconds, all of these names. And now all you have to do for this specifically is check to see in the state that you're in if those specific names for those businesses are taken or if they're available for you to use. You got to keep in mind too, these are going to be your domain names because they're also very easy to remember by the name of your business. So for instance, pithappensbarbecue.com, or if it's holysmokesbarbecue.com, that's what it would translate into as a domain. So that is how you name your catering business and get very specific with it. And again, I'll have that link down below. You can check out the AI prompts itself. Simply copy and paste that right into ChatGPT or any of the AI LLM models, and you can go ahead and do it. So That's naming your catering business in about 5 minutes. So if you have any other questions about how this works, let me know down below. Definitely subscribe to this brand new channel. It's all about catering businesses. So we discuss the business side of catering and give you all kinds of tips, pointers, and marketing tips, ideas as well. And I'll see you guys in our next video.